Well, hello, everybody. Welcome to Friday. The market was up a little bit today, about 0.25% on the S&P 500. And let me kind of just share with you some of the things that I see happening at this point in time. And here we are again. This is the Vanguard S&P 500. We're above this little range right here, and we're near an all-time high. So that's really great. I think that this continues to move, and I'll tell you why in a moment. But just to take a look at some of the winners, we had some negative news today about AstraZeneca's trial results. And so ironically, one of our big winners was this genomics and immunotherapy piece, our advanced medical. And if you see what's happened here, it's been kind of going sideways for quite a while. Pretty big breakout today. Number one holding here is Moderna. And so this particular piece, Moderna is one of the vaccines that's doing quite well. It seems to be so far, had good results. And so if one of the competitors, in this case, AstraZeneca, has a problem, then obviously Moderna might do well. But we've also seen pretty good movement out of the innovative technology. And so this is a really important piece right here. You can see we were bound into this range for quite a while. I showed you this chart before, and look at this breakout that's happening now. So as the virus count goes up and any bad news that we get about the vaccine, then innovative technology kind of takes off, because these are companies that are making money, really even more money to a certain degree, if the virus is here. As far as that goes, this is a holding we've had for quite a while, which I think is important. Online retail, we're seeing, that broke out here very nicely. That was up today almost 2%. And really, I think we're going to have a great Christmas. And I think this piece could do quite well. I think people are going to spend a lot of money for Christmas. Most of them are going to do it online. And I think online retail is a really good area to be. And of course, we have our clean energy pieces. So this thing is crazy. Look at this thing go. And we have, that's up 1.7% today. Here's another one of our clean energy pieces, up 1.6% today. So, I think what's going to happen here, and just to kind of give you some ideas on really kind of what I see coming, I believe right now, we're going to see this rotation back and forth between the value and the growth. Bad news from vaccine makers, growth stuff takes off, these technology takes off. I think we're in the right places for that. Virus numbers pick up a lot. I think, again, technology kind of takes off in that environment because, those companies can still function in a vaccine, world. And we get good news about vaccines, which we've had for the last several Mondays in a row. Then you're going to see that rotation out of technology into these value stocks. And so we have those. And I think, clean energy, for whatever reason, you can kind of see it in the charts. It's just going on its own path. It seems to sort of go every other day. Really good day, then it takes a rest the next day, and then a really good day thereafter. So I suspect that continues. And I do like that clean energy. We have a big chunk of that in the portfolios, just because that seems to have its own path that isn't really related to the vaccine arena, where the other two, the value and the technology pieces, kind of are battling back and forth as far as that goes. I like the balance. I think things are working. The S&P 500 was up, 0.25%. Our portfolios overall were up about 0.6%, according to our TD Ameritrade portal. So we actually outperformed the market as a whole, even though we only have about 64% of our money in the market. The rest is in the bond market. So good day, really good week, an unbelievable month. If this can hold up and you get your statements at the end of November, you're going to be quite happy with those statements. So I want to thank everybody. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving and you have a great weekend. And I will talk to you again on Monday. Thank you very much.